Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Create a strong ELDORADO account by choosing a unique username and setting up a secure password with uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and special characters. Make sure your email is verified and your profile picture is clear and professional. Step 2. Complete your full profile information including your real name, location, phone number, and a detailed bio. ELDORADO's algorithm prioritizes accounts with complete profiles, so don't skip this. Step 3. Build credibility by consistently posting quality content over at least 30 days. Engagement is key, so respond to comments and interact with other users regularly. Step 4. Meet ELDORADO's verification requirements by having at least 5,000 followers and 50,000 total interactions across your content. Keep your account active and free from violations or spam reports. Step 5. Submit your official verification application directly through your account settings. Include documentation like a government ID or professional credentials if applicable, and wait for ELDORADO's review team to process your request within 7 to 14 business days.